Road signs shouldn't feel like a memory test. They should guide you every time you drive. In this video, we're covering the 40 most essential UK road signs that every learner and experienced driver needs to recognize. You'll learn what each sign means, why it matters, and how it keeps you and others safe on the road. By the end, you'll feel prepared and more confident behind the wheel. Take note of the signs as we go, and drop your score in the comments. Let's jump in and get started. Question 1. Which sign represents the maximum speed limit 30 miles per hour? The answer is C. Question 2. Can you identify the turn right sign? The answer is A. Question 3. Which sign warns that agricultural vehicles are likely to be in the road ahead? The answer is B. Question 4. Which sign indicates the presence of a picnic area? The answer is B. Question 5. Which sign shows no vehicles laden with inflammable liquids? The answer is C. If you're 5 for 5 so far, give this video a like to celebrate your progress. Let's keep that momentum going as we dive into the next set of signs together. Question 6. Which sign depicts ducks? The answer is D. Question 7. Which sign appears in the BVI driver's manual? The answer is B. Question 8. Which sign shows 100 yards to a roundabout or the next point at which traffic must yield? The answer is C. Question 9. Which sign warns of electrified overhead, cable ahead? The answer is A. Question 10. Which sign indicates no overtaking? The answer is B. Question 11. Can you identify the 100 yards to a roundabout or the next point sign? The answer is D. Question 12. Which sign warns of loose chippings? The answer is B. Question 13. Which sign represents light signals at a level crossing ahead? The answer is B. Question 14. Which sign reminds drivers to try brakes after crossing a ford? The answer is C. Question 15. Which sign warns of an electrified third rail ahead? The answer is B. Want more practical road sign practice? Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next session. Question 16. Which sign shows sharp bends ahead where traffic is diverted onto a temporary route? The answer is B. Question 17. Can you identify the quayside or riverbank sign? The answer is B. Question 18. Which sign indicates the distance to public toilets and telephones? The answer is C. Question 19. Which sign warns of a slippery road? The answer is B. Question 20. Which sign represents danger? The answer is D. Question 21. Can you identify the falling or fallen rocks sign? The answer is A. Question 22. Which sign indicates a direction along a route passing through places of interest recognized by a regional tourist route? The answer is B. Question 23. Which sign shows the cars sign? The answer is D. Question 24. Can you identify the cattle sign? The answer is D. Question 25. Which sign marks 200 yards to an escape lane to the left for vehicles? The answer is C. Question 26. Which sign represents the stop sign? The answer is A. Question 27. Can you identify the vehicles exceeding height indicated prohibited sign? The answer is D. Question 28. Which sign shows the end of designated quiet lane in England? The answer is B. Question 29. Which sign indicates the art gallery sign? The answer is A. Question 30. Can you find the side road ahead sign? The answer is A. Question 31. Which sign shows the bus tourists parking sign? The answer is D. Question 32. Which sign represents the additional traffic lane joining from the left ahead? The answer is B. Question 33. Can you identify the vehicles exceeding an indicated gross weight prohibited from crossing bridge sign? The answer is A. Question 34. Which sign shows another additional traffic lane joining from the left ahead? The answer is A. Question 35. Which sign represents pedestrians? The answer is B. If you know someone who's learning to drive or just wants to brush up on their road sign knowledge, share this video with them. It's a fun way to learn together and stay sharp for the roads. Question 36. Can you find the vehicles may be parked wholly on the verge sign? The answer is A. Question 37. Which sign marks the end of prohibition of goods vehicles? The answer is B. Question 38. Can you identify the uneven road sign? The answer is C. Question 39. Which sign shows the steam railway tourist attraction 300 yards, 270 meters ahead? The answer is C. Question 40. Can you identify the vehicles exceeding width indicated prohibited sign? The answer is A. That's a wrap on our 40 most essential UK road signs walkthrough. Which signs were the easiest to remember, and which ones do you want to review again? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to know which signs you see most often on your routes. If you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you're ready for your next step in mastering UK driving knowledge. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.